Hey guys, it's Lars Pearson here with MarineMax in Ship Bottom, New Jersey. We're standing on a 2020 Sea Ray 19 SPX. As you can see, nice seating arrangement for a 19-foot boat. Your helm seat does have a flip-up thigh-rise bolster, just like your port side seat as well. You have a lockable glove box there, storage underneath the port side. You got a Fusion stereo. Up here in the bow you got seating. You can sit 2 people underway easily up here. You also have storage underneath, as well as 2 speakers up here, one on each side and a grab handle for safety. As you can see, you got a powder coated wraparound windshield to keep you warmer on those brisk days, and a bimini top as well. You have a cooler underneath here. You can use that as storage as well, and a very large storage compartment on this Outboard model. Now walking through the transom, you got your battery under this hatch. You got your ski tow pylon right there, and this boat is equipped with the upgraded 150 Mercury outboard on the back. And as you can see, you got a nice sizable swing platform to walk around on. Again, guys, this has been the 2020 Sea Ray 19 SPX here at Ship Bottom MarineMax. If you have a question about this boat or any other boat we have here, give us a call at 609-207-3325. Thank you.